at a certain moment, I was on, I think, 48%.
Whoa.
And I was, but it was with a small amount of money, but the percent was good. And then I also saw that, you can lose some, because I made some beginner mistakes, and then Rob said, you earn some, but you learn some, because you didn't lose. And that's something I really learned, that it's all here. It's the mindset.
Thank you for your time. First of all, tell us your name, please, and where are you from?
I'm Christel, and I'm from Belgium.
Oh, wonderful. Welcome.
Thank you.
So tell me this, Christel. So what were your goal? What was your knowledge before you came to Investment Mastery of trading and investing?
Of trading and investing, I already knew something because I work for a bank.
Okay.
But I'm doing the home loans, so the investing.
When you work for a bank, that doesn't generally mean
No.
unless you're in the trading department.
Yeah, that's right.
So did you invest before?
Some small things, but not really going into, and I was just doing it by any knowledge of it.
Okay, and what kind of returns were you getting before?
Well, it was in 2008, so it was really going really bad. No returns.
Okay, no returns. Minus. Okay.
Yes.
You want to forget them. Okay, good. And then how did you, tell us quickly your journey. So did you go on a one-day seminar, or what did you do?
Oh, it's a very funny story, actually. My husband went to the one-day course with his father, and then he forced me actually to go to the 3 days workshop, because I was still I was a breastfeeding mom at the moment, and I was like, no, I'm not going, because I can't leave my child for 3 days.
Yeah.
And the grandparents came along to Amsterdam, and that was the reason I could come along, and I could feed my child like that.
Wow.
And then we just enrolled to the Gold Fast Track, because we were really.
Hold on. So tell me about. Let's go journey by journey. So
okay.
So did you? So what did you? So you came to that. What made you decide to come on the workshop? Was it just your husband?
It was my husband, and also I was curious about all the things that he had been told me from the one-day workshop, and he was
sharing stuff with you. Okay. Yeah, and what was the best thing for you? What did you enjoy the most about the workshop?
The 3-day workshop, the enthusiasm and the way of working, and it was really it was not difficult to learn something. It was in Dutch we have a word for it, but I don't know the word in English.
What's the Dutch word?
Laagdrempelig. That you have a step, you come into the door, and it's not a big step, it's a small step to join in.
Okay. Easy to overcome or something.
Yeah, easy to understand everything. You don't need to know a lot.
Okay.
You get the explanation, and they learn you the things step by step. And that's what I enjoyed, that I not was overwhelmed by everything.
Overwhelmed and confused. Yeah. Okay, but that's good. So it's easy to learn, but everybody wants to know, but what are the results, So what results have you got?
Well, I honestly have to say that I think the first months I enrolled in the gold track, and I didn't really do something with it. And then I had a coaching call because I thought, I have to do something. And I was a little bit scared to really do something with it. And then I had a talk with Rob, and he said, you may not compare you with anybody else, because we were in a WhatsApp group, and everybody was like, I'm doing this and that. And I was, I'm not doing anything at all, and I'm scared. And he said, don't compare, and just do the steps like you have been taught. And then I tried to go on the demo account, and it went quite good.
But which strategy? did you use?
The Buffalo
Okay.
in the demo account.
Yeah.
And then now in February, March, it was like, yeah, I really have to go in the VCA. And I had a coaching call with Dennis, and I had a call with Eamon, and they said, yeah, maybe you should go live. And I was like, oh, should I do it? And yeah, then I just went in, I think with like 5,000 euros.
Yeah.
And I started with the VCA, and I thought, "Oh, I may not go in with too much money." And I just bought SQ and Uber and the oil. And I thought, yes, yes. And I saw it going up. And at a certain moment, I was on, I think, 48%.
Whoa.
And I was, yeah. But it was with a small amount of money. But yeah, the percent was good.
So hold on. So 48% on your entire account?
Yes, but it was a small account because I just started with 5,000
Doesn't matter if
euros.
it's 5,000, 5
Yeah,
million. It's
yeah,
all
yeah,
about percentages, right?
yeah. So that was really great.
Yeah.
And then I thought, yeah, maybe I should do something else. And then I start with the Buffalo when there was a little bit more space to do that. And then I also saw that, yeah, you can lose some because I made some beginner mistakes, and then Rob said, yeah, you earn some, but you learn some because you didn't lose. And that's something I really learned, that it's all here. It's the mindset. You have to
Totally.
learn to earn something. You didn't lose, but you learned something. And that's something really important. You're busy with money, and yeah, it's your mindset is so important, and that's something I really learned during my journey.
And are you doing any of the cryptos?
I'm registered into the crypto club, but I'm just running into all the videos now.
Keep going.
So
'Cause
yeah,
this is
I'm
an
learning
important
the
time.
RSI. Yeah,
Yeah, the RSI. Yeah, start on the demo account. This is an important time for cryptos. So you
yeah,
start
yeah.
accumulating, it's going to be.
Yeah, and I'm really in the moment, like the FOMO. It's something I learned. I'm like, oh, I must be in it. But yeah, I just have to do the videos, and step by step, I
Keep going.
will.
Are you doing, how long are you doing a day? Honestly.
Oh, sometimes I'm like doing an hour.
Hmm.
And then there are days that I'm just not able to do anything because I have 3 young children here. And I was last on the gold call, and you asked me, or you said to me, like, maybe you should say to your children, oh, little ones, mommy is doing this and that. But there are three of 4, 3, and 1.5.
They just want
So
their mommy.
yeah, they want their mommy.
Yeah.
So yeah, I have to admit, some days I'm just not doing anything, but then I'm trying to do at the evening, just looking at my trades, and
What about your husband? Is he helping at all with the trading and investing? Does he do any?
he's also in the gold fast track,
Yeah.
but he's not doing a thing at the moment.
But is he getting
Except,
coaching?
no, he's just working, and he doesn't have a time for the for
Really?
investment. Yeah, it's
What
not.
about when he's traveling? Can he do anything? Can we have a coaching call when we're traveling?
Well, no, he's working from home a lot nowadays. And yeah, we're planning to do something different because we don't want to work all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah,
He needs to carve out 20 minutes. Needs to.
yeah, yeah,
And in fact, if I were you, I would do it together, like late, like at night, just
yeah.
before going to bed. You must be exhausted. He's tired as well. 20 minutes. It just goes like that.
Yeah, that's our plan. So it's the last working day. We are going to have holiday now, and that's our plan, to do every day just a conversation about trading and yeah, everything what's going on in the market
Yeah.
now.
But he needs to have some of his coaching sessions
Yeah,
for
that's
the
true.
momentum.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
And listen, if I were you, I would focus on cryptocurrencies.
Yeah, I think that's really interesting at the moment. But
Because you've
yeah,
got the basics, right, from the
Mhm.
other strategy. So now you can
Yeah.
apply that on the cryptos. Most people don't have any strategy, whereas you could just do it.
Mhm.
It sounds like you're a little bit ahead of your husband.
Yes, at the moment he's not. Yeah, and I'm really encouraging him
Yeah.
to go to the workshop once more, and
Yes, come.
I think he will come in September. I think
Yeah.
if we will be able to
You,
come.
you know that this weekend, I know it's hard for you guys, but we are doing a virtual one. You know that.
Yeah. I
Yeah,
know.
Saturday and Sunday. Even if you can
Yeah,
dip in and out of there, or have it in the background or something,
yeah,
just to keep that, keep a little
yeah.
bit.
Yeah, we had a whole plan for this year. I was coming to the advanced, and then he was going to some other ones. I said maybe you should go twice, and then the advanced, and then we had a whole plan for this year. But yeah, Corona has thought different about that.
Yeah, wonderful. Well, and also with your kids, you've got a lot to do, but
Yeah.
you are making progress. So you're definitely in your situation. Rob's right. You can't compare yourself to other people,
Hmm.
but you got to keep going, keep going, keep going. Now look at this. This was 15 minutes already, right? You
Yeah.
see how quickly 20 minutes goes.
Yeah.
And it's just
It's
that focus.
unbelievable.
Your husband needs to get on board to help you because one-on-one is 11. And it's
Hmm.
really important that he gets on board. I know he's does a lot and but 20 minutes.
Yeah.
I'm assuming he's there. Is he there?
He's upstairs working.
Okay.
Should I call him?
Yes, you should call him.
Should I do it?
Yes,
I'm going to have
go for it.
a.
Hey, there he
Hello,
is.
Marcus. Good
How are
morning.
you?
Fine, fine, fine. I had a little bit stomach ache this morning. I don't know why.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah, I probably it's the last day before the holiday, so a little bit stress.
A lot going on. Okay, well, I won't keep you.
No,
I
no,
just
no
wanted
problem.
to, yeah, I just wanted to reiterate how important it is that you guys work together. And I know you're really busy. I know that. And I mean, with 3 children as well, poof, I mean, you guys are crazy. 2 was enough. I mean, 3, wow. But anyway, there'll come a time when they'll all be helping each other and babysitting and it'll all be
Yeah.
fine. But in the meantime, you need to work together. Listen, we've been on a call now for just over 15 minutes. It just went like that. Those 20 minutes, you need to do them. And what I was saying to Christel was, because you've learned the basics now and she's already had that great success with the VCA, and yes, it was a small amount of money. It doesn't matter. It's not about the money. It's about the percentages, right? Because the money you can always get. So the thing to do now is knowing that it works, right? You have the proof, is now to do it on cryptos. When you use VC and the RSI on cryptos and you start building up a position, you start building up 20 minutes a day maximum, right? Set an alarm so it really is 20 minutes. And then in the next bull market, you see that baby go, it's going to be amazing. But you got to promise me to do that. You got to support each other. You got to support Christel, yeah?
Yeah, I absolutely support her. The problem is I have a little bit of lack of time, but I absolutely encourage her to do everything what she wants. So that's not the problem. And I already told her we should every day have half an hour, 20 minutes talking, discussing together. But yeah, there's always something else that
No, this
you
is
get.
too. You see, there's a difference between urgent and important. And
I,
this is so important. And I'm not asking for hours. I'm asking for 20 minutes because at the moment you're not doing anything. So 20 minutes at the same time, hopefully in the evening, maybe when things are a bit quiet. But you gotta support her. It's really, really important. I know there's always something else and you're busy, but that's urgent. This is important. And so you need to carve yourself out that time. It's not, because otherwise you're going to be on doing this for the rest of your life. So, yeah. Okay?
yeah,
You got to promise me now.
I promise to you.
Okay. Thank you very much.
And to her.
And to her. Wonderful. All right. So I'm going to check in with you guys. And also, I know you haven't had your coaching calls. Now the holidays are coming up, so is there a chance for you to start your coaching course? Keep that momentum.
In what period of time do you mean?
Well, like the Gold Fast Track, you've got coaching calls as part of it, and you haven't had yours. So just to keep that momentum during the holidays, would you be able to carve? How long are you on holiday for?
Well, actually, we are for 4 weeks on holiday.
Okay, so would it be possible to have one at the beginning, one at the end? Would that be possible?
Maybe, yes, maybe.
Yeah. What does that mean? Do you not have a telephone there or a Skype there?
Yeah. It should be possible.
I see. It's interesting, huh? Come on, man. This is what we're here for. We need to push you a little bit.
I know.
So I'll organize for that to happen, maybe day 1, day 2, and then towards the end as well. Obviously, if you want one in the middle, you can. Maybe this is the best time to do it.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Well, listen, thank you so much for your time. I know you're busy. I know you're going on holiday tomorrow. And you've got 3 kids and you've got a stomachache. So thank you for your time. I really appreciate it.
No problem. We appreciate that you are calling.
Wonderful. Hey, listen, best of luck. And I want you to know that, Christel, when I hear about the 48%, focus on that. Don't focus, it was only on 5,000. Don't focus on that. Focus on that it works, that you can do it, and therefore you can do it again. And if you keep doing it, you compound your money up. And I want you to know that you don't understand this, right? That you're an inspiration to us in the office. Eamon and Dennis and Keith and Matt and myself and Madrika and John and Emma and Zoe and Dimitri and all the others. When they hear this, they go crazy. We have these buzz meetings. Christel did this, blah, 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 blah. And that's what drives us. Yes, we're a business, but what drives us is the success of our clients, because it's another success story. It's another Trustpilot, person saying you can do it. It's another, woman saying that she can do it. It's another busy guy saying they can do it. It's another father saying they can do it. It's another entrepreneur, So what it proves to us is that what we're teaching, works, which we know, but it only works if it works for the clients. So I want you to understand, if you don't do it for yourselves, do it for us, make it happen. Make it happen. Okay.
Yeah.
So thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Thank you. I appreciate you. And I thank you for your time.
No problem.
Thank you very much.
Take care. Huh? Speak soon.
Speak soon. Bye-bye.